Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best robotic pool cleaners on Amazon. Robotic pool cleaners can dramatically reduce the amount of cleaning time and allow you to sit back and relax instead of getting your hands dirty. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Automatic Robotic Pool Cleaner. Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus is the best pool cleaner robot on the market, and with so many amazing features, it's easy to see why. The Nautilus CC Plus is a lightweight model, weighing just 19 pounds, making it easy to move around. It also features a fast water release system, so you won't need to carry around extra water weight when moving your robotic cleaner from one location to the next. Because it is a drop-and-go model, you can simply place the Nautilus in your pool and let it get on with its job without any other directions. It features a single button to press and make it go, as well as a top-load filter bag that is easy to clean and features a spring clean option, making it even more convenient. If you like to clean your pool regularly. What we like about it: drop-and-go model, lightweight design, dual scrubbing brushes, strong suction, easy to clean, removable cartridges. Number 2. Dolphin Nautilus CC Automatic Robotic Pool Cleaner. Providing a very high level of performance at a great price, the Dolphin Nautilus CC is the best pool cleaning robot when it comes to value for the money. At just 14 pounds, the Dolphin Nautilus CC pool cleaning robot is ultra lightweight. This makes it ideal for those with back problems or just for those who like to clean their pool very regularly, as it minimizes strain on your back. No matter what shape your pool is, this awesome robot systematically scans the pool floor to calculate the fastest and most efficient path. The active scrubbing brush lifts even the finest dirt, leaving you with an extremely clean pool. What we like about it: scans the pool floor, lifts fine debris, active scrubbing brushes, energy efficient, perfect for in-ground pools. Number 3. Dolphin Premier Automatic Robotic Pool Cleaner. Extremely convenient and highly efficient, no job is too big for the large Dolphin Premier Automatic Pool Cleaner. Coming in at 37.2 pounds, the Dolphin Premier is a little hefty, but worth it for the performance you get. This amazing machine also packs a whopping 60 feet of cable, so there's no need to mess about with extension leads when you can just plug it into the nearest socket and let it do its thing. An inbuilt scheduling system makes the Dolphin Premier extremely convenient. Choose between 1, 2, or 3-day cycles, and you'll always have a clean pool with absolutely no backache. What we like about it: extra large filter bag, dual filter cartridges, Smart Nav software delivers highly optimized scanning, unlimited 360-degree rotation for tangle-free operation, perfect for extra large in-ground pools, can be used every day. Number 4. Dolphin Triton PS Robotic Pool. The Dolphin Triton PS Robotic Pool Cleaner has made quite the splash, earning a reputation for being a reliable and efficient companion for pool owners. Designed to cater to the needs of in-ground swimming pools up to 50 feet, this remarkable piece of technology effortlessly keeps pools crystal clear and inviting, leaving pool owners with more time to enjoy the pleasures of swimming and relaxation. Equipped with a state-of-the-art robotic system, the pool vacuum cleaner navigates the pool's surface with precision, ensuring that every nook and cranny is rid of debris and dirt. What we like about it: easy to clean extra-large top-load filter basket, intelligent navigation for thorough pool coverage, durable and reliable construction for long-lasting use, sleek and compact design for smooth maneuverability. Number 5. Zodiac Polaris Sport Robotic Pool Cleaner. If you are looking for a pool cleaner that is compact and highly effective, then look no further than Zodiac's Polaris Cleaner. The Polaris is quite compact in shape, making it easy to store and transport as it doesn't take up much room. However, this robotic pool cleaner is quite heavy, coming in at 44 pounds. This heavyweight machine makes it high-performing, however, it may not be the best option for those who have trouble lifting. Zodiac's Polaris Sports Automatic Cleaner features a 7-day programmable timer, so you don't need to worry about sticking to a cleaning schedule to keep your pool sparkling clean all summer long. What we like about it: high scanning ability, high level of traction, strong vacuum, excellent navigation, active motion navigation system. Perfect to keep your pool clean. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.